Welcome to the busiest workplace ever, the Beehive. Today we're meeting the bee team and their super important jobs. Let's buzz inside. First up is the big boss, the queen bee. She's the only one who lays all the eggs, up to 2,000 a day. That's faster than you can say buzz buzz. She has helpers fanning her and feeding her special food so she stays healthy. Without the queen, there'd be no new baby bees. Now, meet the worker bees. They're all girls and do almost every job. They change jobs as they grow older, like leveling up in a game. Young workers are nurses. They feed the baby larvae with special bee milk. Yum! Then they become builders, making perfect hexagon honeycomb cells from wax they produce themselves. Hexagons are super strong and save space. Older ones fly out as foragers to collect nectar and pollen from flowers. They even dance to tell their friends where the good flowers are. And some become guards, like bouncers at the hive door. They check IDs with their sense of smell. Last but not least, the drones. They're the boy bees. So remember, the queen lays eggs, workers do all the hard work, and drones help make new queens. Every bee has a job, and teamwork makes the honey. Thanks for buzzing by.